Bell V-247 Vigilant, the unmanned tiltrotor drone. What if a helicopter could fly missions without a pilot on board, stay in the air for half a day, and strike targets hundreds of miles away? That is exactly what the Bell V-247 Vigilant aims to do. The Vigilant is an unmanned tiltrotor aircraft designed for the U.S. Marine Corps and Navy, combining the vertical takeoff and landing of a helicopter with the speed and range of an airplane. With a cruise speed of 460 kilometers per hour and a maximum range of over 2,600 kilometers, it can reach distant missions faster than any conventional rotorcraft. Its design is both versatile and modular. Foldable wings and rotors allow it to fit into naval destroyer hangars or C-17 transport aircraft, while internal payload bays and underwing pylons support a variety of mission equipment, from sensors and radar modules to missiles and torpedoes. It can even refuel in flight, giving it endurance of over 11 hours with a 270-kilogram mission payload. The Vigilant is built for multiple roles. It can conduct intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions, provide electronic warfare support, offer tactical firepower, and even escort manned aircraft like the V-22 Osprey and V-280 Valor. Its autonomous systems reduce the need for a large crew, while its advanced avionics allow it to operate in complex maritime and expeditionary environments. Introduced in 2016 by Bell Helicopter, the V-247 is expected to enter production in the early 2020s. It represents the next evolution in tiltrotor technology, bringing together speed, range, and operational flexibility in a platform that does not rely on runways. For modern naval and expeditionary missions, this unmanned aircraft offers persistent presence and rapid response like no other. The question is not whether tiltrotors are useful anymore, it's whether unmanned tiltrotors like the V-247 Vigilant will redefine the future of military aviation. For more videos on the most advanced aircraft in the world, subscribe and stay updated.